CHZ by and large faces obstruction at $20, or so they in a real sense thought. CHZ down roughly 467% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, or so they in every practical sense thought. CHZ pair exchanging underneath MA20 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how CHZ certainly faces obstruction at $20, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Chilliz basically shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, which explicitly shows that CHZ down roughly 467% inside the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious way. 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time essentially clarified some pressing issues facts. What sort of is especially transient cost expectation for Chilliz? Certainly is CHZ a wise speculation, or so they generally thought. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so forth in a significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging profound into the CHZ specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $2 548, 785, 447, 775, or so they sort of thought. The truly absolute exchanging volume especially remains at $138, 539, 8 and 1980, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 50–13% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16–33%, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $60.70, $617.35 level after a decay of 92%, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a value diminishing of 3% coming to $3,508–14 during the past 24 hours, exceptionally further appearance how market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $2 548, 785, 447, 775 in a fundamentally huge manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time period, which essentially is genuinely critical. BNB, the in every way that really matters, local coin of BNB especially is somewhere near 376 and presently exchanging at Vala 555.36, which especially is very huge. Moreover, XRP came to 0.61 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 179% in esteem, showing how CHZ generally faces obstruction at $20, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an especially descending course for certainly present moment, which basically is very critical. Right now, an extremely broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which really is very critical. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, showing how Chilliz really shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, which especially shows that CHZ down roughly 467% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which essentially is very critical. Support generally is a level at which purchases essentially become substantially more by and large dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part shows that right now, a kind of broad, genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which really is very critical. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which merchants generally become move fundamentally dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which essentially shows that while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time period in a very significant manner. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz CHZ Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz CHZ explicitly is at $13 down 467% in the beyond 24 hours and explicitly has a value change of 1844% over the course of the week, showing how CHZ down roughly 467% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours in an in every practical sense huge way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 89,725 to 55 USD, while certainly complete market cap came to $1,180,796,781 USD, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. There really are practically 888,293,307 are available for use out of 8,888,888,888. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 18 Walk 2024 inside a very everyday time span generally made sense of underneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize commonly relative strength indexes, moving sort of normal union and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving certainly normal SMA and remarkable moving genuinely normal MA to generally examine the future development of the Chilliz in an unobtrusive manner. The overall strength record RSI for CHZ coin for the most part is presently floating at 28.4. 14 days by and large normal line, which explicitly implies CHZ certainly is in oversold zone and a pattern truly inversion sort of is conceivable, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a value diminishing of 3% coming to $3,518.14 during the past 24 hours, especially further appearance how market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $2 548 785 447 775, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Chilliz really has especially break all its especially upholds levels and things truly are not looking generally excellent for the crypto market, showing how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 617.35 level after a decay of 92% incredibly. Right now, explicitly bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively in every practical sense take CHZ cost beneath the pivotal help level of $0.17, which for the most part is very huge. The CHZ moving certainly normal combination and disparity MACD marker by and large is showing a very present moment for the most part sell especially signal as the MACD line certainly is moving beneath especially signal line, which truly implies in a real sense bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how they're in every way that really matters, are practically 888 to 9307 in every practical sense, are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, or so they in a real sense thought. While CHZ's Williams % R marker by and large is at 61,238 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition A. Exchange commonly signal especially is conceivable at this reach, which in every practical sense shows that Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination for 18 Walk 2024 inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span essentially made sense of beneath, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ends the worth of CHZ really is persistently unloading, however it especially is normal that help levels at $0.17 and $15 will go about as vital focuses and most certainly skip the